Yes, it's mock exam time again. It can be a hugely stressful time for students, and Cambridge International Business mock exams are no exception. However, it can be a unique opportunity for improving exam performance. In this tutorial, we will show you how to prepare and give you a crash course in exam technique. And stay tuned for an interpretation of your results and how to utilise them to improve your performance. Mock exams come around so quickly, and often while you already have lots of assignments and homework due for other courses. However, to make the most of mocks, it's essential to set aside some time for serious revision. In a 2-year IGCSE course, some material could have been covered 18 months ago, so it's essential you refresh your knowledge. Even at A-level, the volume of course material means you will have to find time to review and learn the material earlier in the academic year. Timetable 20 or 30-minute revision slots to go over each of the topics. Experiment with different revision aids like flashcards, quizzes and mnemonics. This is the time to figure out how much time you need to spend to thoroughly learn each of the different topics and what is most productive method of revision for you. Therefore, it can be invaluable as a dry run for your final exams. Remember, the earlier you start your revision, the better. And if you learn more now, it will really relieve the pressure before your exams. Simple exam technique can make a huge difference with mock exam results. Often students are intimidated by the length of exams and the quantity of questions to answer compared to class tests. If you want more in-depth guides to exam technique, don't forget to hit the subscribe button or go to Cambridge Business Essentials website where we have loads of further resources available. The following is a crash course of simple guidelines to help you focus and maximise your marks. Time management for IGCSE. Follow the 1 minute per mark rule as closely as you can. For AS level, you have roughly 2 minutes per mark in paper 1 and 1.5 minutes per mark in paper 2. By all means, skip to the questions you feel more confident with and complete these first. But remember to stick to the time limit for each question and return to the questions you initially passed by. Remember, don't spend too much time trying to figure out the calculation questions. This is often where students get stuck and then miss out on finishing the paper on time. Read the question. Don't be tempted to write everything you know about USP or another concept that you know well if you see it in the question. Find out precisely what the question is asking for and focus your answer only on that. Don't forget the context. At both IGCSE and A-level, the examiner needs to see you applying to the business or organisation in the question. You will be surprised how many students don't refer to the business at all in their answers and miss out on marks. And this really happens a lot in mocks. This can lead to, understandably, very disappointing results. Mock exams aren't a precise benchmark of how you're going to do in the exam. More than likely, you won't have studied all of the course. And you probably also won't study as hard as you will do for your final exam. But if you're working hard, you would expect your exam technique to improve. Generally, teachers would expect you to score 1 grade higher in your final exam than you do in your mocks. Also, check the grade boundaries that the school has used. Are they the same as the Cambridge grade boundaries? The Cambridge grade boundaries should give you a more accurate reflection of where you're at the moment. Before you file away or lose your test, take a note of which questions you didn't perform so well in. These should be the focus on your exam technique going forward. Also, try and avoid denial. Use your result positively to motivate you to change your study habits if you need to change them, and get that additional support if you need it. Thank you for watching, and don't be shy. Comment, follow and subscribe to make sure you achieve your potential in Cambridge Business exams. Thank you. See you next time.